right, so now we're going to work on identifying the mystery candy that was in the classroom. This is the sample of what the teacher got when she put the candy crumbs into water. So we are going to look at the types of candy, and we're going to add water, and we're going to see what happens. So in the story, there was a red gummy bear. Okay. There was a Skittle. So you can see the Skittle part. Let's see if you see the S. Okay. This is an M&M. There was a red M&M. And then a red jelly bean. Okay. So now let's look at what happens when we add some water to each one. A little bit more water for the gummy bear. Okay. So now, here's what we're going to do. Remember, this one right here is the jelly bean. This one right here is the M&M. This one is the Skittle. And this one is the gummy bear. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to let these sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to compare these to this to determine what kind of candy we think was found in the floor. Alright, it's been about 10-15 minutes here, and I put some labels on here so that you can kind of see what's going on. So let's start with the gummy bear. We put the gummy bear in water, and I let it sit for 15 minutes, and I'm going to stir it up. And as you can see, nothing really changes with the gummy bear, so I don't think that that was what was found in the floor. Also, the jelly bean, I put a J on there. You can stir it up. It's a little pink in the water, but not like this, okay? So I don't think it was the jelly bean. Now here is the tough one. So we've got a Skittle and an M&M. And I know that your first reaction is, oh, it's definitely the M&M. But here's the difference. When you stir the M&M, it is very pink, but the big thing that you don't see is this waxy substance, okay? There's a waxy substance around the side of the glass. So, and if you look, and I'm going to show you on the top in just a second, and then here's the Skittle, and you can kind of see it's really red. So let me put the camera where you can see, okay? So here is the interesting thing. Here is our candy example. Let me zoom that in. Here is our candy example. This is what the teacher found, and you'll notice you can see you can see like film on the top, and you can see around the sides. This is the M&M. There is no film. It's a lot lighter pink. Okay, and then here's the Skittle, and even though it hasn't been sitting as long as the evidence, you can sort of see that same film forming. So I think our match is going to be the Skittle. So look and see who that was, and let me know if you have any questions.